In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how many Google accounts are linked to a phone number. This is a handy trick if you've been using the same phone number for a while and want to get a sense of how many accounts are tied to it. So let's get started and dive right in. First, we'll begin with a quick Google search. Head over to Google's homepage and in the search bar type in "find your account." Once you've done that, hit enter. The search results page should load, showing several options. You'll want to look for the link that says "find my account." Typically it should be one of the top results, so go ahead and click on that link. Next you'll be taken to a page where Google will prompt you to input the phone number you wish to check. This step is crucial. Enter the exact phone number you've been using or are curious about. Once the number is correctly entered, proceed by clicking on the next button. Now Google will ask you for the name associated with the account. This is an additional layer of verification, ensuring that the process is secure. Simply enter the account holder's name as it should appear on the account details and then click next again. If you've done everything right so far, Google will search for any accounts associated with the information you've provided. If it finds any, these accounts will be displayed, giving you insight into which Google accounts are linked to your number. It's worth mentioning here that Google allows up to 4 Gmail accounts to be verified with the same phone number. This means that although several accounts can be linked to a single phone number, not all might be visible using this method. Remember, Google won't provide a comprehensive list of every account linked to your number. It's not guaranteed that you'll get the full picture due to privacy restrictions and other factors. However, this method can certainly help you identify some of them, especially if you have numerous Google accounts. This process is straightforward but can be incredibly helpful for organizing and managing your digital presence. So if you're ever unsure about the number of accounts connected to your phone number or just want to keep track, this is a quick and effective method to do just that. And there you have it. Hopefully this tutorial has clarified how to see which Google accounts are attached to your phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.